as you keep on uploading videos onto your YouTube channel, then what happens is that there will be a lot of videos and the viewers might be confused on where to find your videos. In that case, yes, one way to make it easier for the viewers to find similar videos is by using playlist, or another thing that you can do is manage sections. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto the customization section right here. And once I go around over here, you can see the featured section right here. So by default, you can see that there's uploads. So whatever videos I upload, it'll show up right there. And the other is the short videos. So if you were to create shorts, then it'll show up right here. You can go around and click on add section right here. And let's say you want to show popular uploads, you can click right here. And the popular uploads among your videos will show up right there. You can go around over here and let's say you want to have playlists, like created playlist right here, and then you have created playlist section right here. You can go around and choose multiple playlists over here as well. So whatever playlist you may have, if you want to choose them manually, so let's say I just select one and press done, then it'll show up right there. And this is how you can manage out sections, as you can see, based on, let's say, featured channels and everything else, as you can see right here. If you have other channels, you can also use the featured channel option to showcase those channels on your particular channel right here. So you can also go around, rearrange this section, as you can see. You can go around and pull the popular uploads, let's say at the top right here, just like this. And once this is done, what happens is that you can go around and then view this out. If you want to remove out a section, you can go to option and remove the section. So I don't have the short videos section anymore, as you can see. And for the section, you can see that the maximum number of sections you can have is 12 sections. So that is the limit of the sections that you can have in your channel. So let me just go to view channel right here and let's see how the section looks. So over here, you can see the uploads right here, just like this. And this is what you have. And you don't really see the section right now because we forgot to actually save the updates. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that I still have the old sections. Let me just remove it and click on, let's say, popular uploads, keep it on to the top right here. I'm going to go around, add in multiple playlists right here, just like this, choose the playlist that I want to add right here. So now I'm going to click on publish. And once you publish it out, you can go around onto your channel, and in your channel, you will see the sections, as you can see right here. You got the main video on the top, then you got the popular uploads, the latest uploads, and multiple playlists right here, which makes it easy for the audiences of your YouTube channel to find the videos. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.